And now viewers, it's the first day of the new year 2026, but Delhi NCR continues to gasp for breath even as toxic air now spills into yet another year. The air across Delhi is still in bad shape. In fact, most areas continue to record very poor air quality, with some even slipping into the severe category. We're getting you visuals as well from different parts of Delhi this morning, and this is what the city is waking up to on the first day of 2026. High pollution levels and dangerously low visibility. In fact, if we look at the numbers we're getting this morning, viewers, Anand Vihar is once again one of the worst hit with an AQI touching 424. Wazirpur isn't far behind at 417. Parparganj has also crossed into the severe zone at 402. Now elsewhere, the situation also remains worrying. Noida sector 125 is at 358. JLN Stadium and City Fort are both hovering close to severe levels at 396. RK Puram stands at 393. ITO at 386 and Chandni Chowk is also breathing very poor air today. Now viewers, in the view of these adverse weather conditions, the Met Department has also issued a yellow alert for dense to very dense fog in multiple states including Lucknow, Kanpur, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Agra, Meerut, Noida as well as Gorakhpur. So we're looking at a yellow alert in these areas, and Delhi today waking up to dangerously high pollution levels and again very low visibility. All right, so this is what we're looking at the first day of 2026, but Delhi NCR continues to gasp for breath as the AQI is now somewhere between the range of very poor and the severe category across several parts of the city. The air across Delhi is still in bad shape. In fact, most areas continue to record very poor, with some even slipping into the severe category today. And in fact, it's not just Delhi. Areas beyond as well are looking at a similar situation. Noida sector 125 today standing at 358. In other cities as well across Delhi NCR continue to record very poor air. In fact, the Met Department has now issued a yellow alert for dense to very dense fog in multiple cities including Lucknow, Kanpur, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Agra, Meerut, as well as Noida and Gorakhpur.